Jeff Emig here. We are at the ALIV Worldwide Pre-Tour Coaching. It's just a much more personal, one-on-one setting. We've got you handled. Main focus is to get all of our guests up to speed to where they're competent riding on the motocross track and also on the adventure bike. That way they're ready for the 4-day tour on Monday morning. Perfect.
World class. That's all that you have to say.
Yeah.
I'm so glad I came actually early to get all the coaching I need before the actual tour. It's the best decision I made.
No, it's going great, man. Getting better by the minute. Came in not knowing a thing, and I'm able to make these laps. Dude, it's a game changer when you can feel that accomplishment. Way more confident, man.
My job as a guide and a coach is to take the 51 years of riding experience and decades of coaching experience and identify in each one of the guests what they need to work on or what skill they're going to need for the tour. You're going to be familiar with the motorcycles that we're going to be riding, familiar with the terrain. Let's work on your weak spots and bring that up to a good level to where once we are on tour, you have the time of your life.
Do you exaggerate any bobble or